Today, I invite you to reflect on the provocative question, is God mad at LA? It's a question that sparked countless debates, particularly in the wake of the devastating fires that have swept across Los Angeles in 2025. These fires have left scars on our landscape, our communities, and our hearts. But beyond the tangible destruction, these flames carry a symbolic weight that demands our attention. Let's break down fire as a symbol. Throughout history, fire has been a powerful symbol, both destructive and purifying. In ancient texts, fire often represents divine judgment. Think of Sodom and Gomorrah, consumed by flames as a response to human corruption. Yet fire is also a symbol of renewal. Farmers burn fields to enrich the soil, and volcanic eruptions can create new land. Fire is paradoxical. It destroys and creates. It punishes and purifies. When we look at the fires engulfing Los Angeles, we can't help but wonder if they're carrying a deeper meaning. Are they merely a result of climate change and human neglect, or are they a wake-up call, a reflection of the spiritual and societal fires burning within us? The state of LA. Los Angeles is a city of extremes. It's a place of immense creativity, innovation, diversity, but also a city grappling with inequality, homelessness, gang violence, and environmental degradation. And it's crazy that Kendrick Lamar just brought the city back together, and right after this, the city burns to shambles, and now people are forced back into that hopeless mind state. The glitter of Hollywood often overshadows the struggles of those living in its shadows. Could it be that these fires are a metaphor for the tensions bubbling beneath the surface? Perhaps they force us to confront the uncomfortable truths we prefer to ignore. Are we too consumed by ambition, greed, and a desire for instant gratification to care for the land we live on, or the people who call this city home? If we interpret these fires as a divine message, then we must ask ourselves, what is God or the universe or fate trying to tell us? The answer might not be that God is angry with LA, I don't know. But maybe the people of Los Angeles have been careless stewards of the city and, us as humans of the planet. These fires remind us of our own interconnectedness. When the hills burn, when the air quality affects everyone, from Beverly Hills to Boyle Heights, disaster does not discriminate. This shared vulnerability is a call for unity. It urges us to set aside the divisions and work together to create a sustainable future. Hope and renewal. Fire doesn't just destroy, it also clears the way for new growth. After the flames die down, the soil becomes fertile, ready to support life again. In the same way, these fires can be an opportunity for Los Angeles to rebuild itself. This may mean investing in more green energy and sustainable practices. It may mean addressing inequalities that leave some communities more vulnerable to disasters than others. It may mean fostering a culture of care for the environment, care for their neighbors, and care for themselves. So let's find meaning. So is God mad at LA? Perhaps the better question is this: what are we being called to learn? Fire is not an end, it's a beginning. It strips away what no longer serves us and forces us to confront what truly matters. Let's take these fires as a wake-up call for all of us, even if you don't live in LA. A chance to reflect, to repent if needed, and to rebuild with purpose. Let us rise from the ashes stronger, wiser, and more united than ever. Let this be something that we all learn around America, that we all observe around America. Let's use this experience to make us all better people. Prayers go out to LA. Anybody that's lost their homes, their belongings, or even their life, prayers out to you guys. Like and subscribe if you like the vibe. Share if you care. Thinkers are us.